your goal is not enough.
Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to lower a file size without lowering its quality. So let's get started. First you need an application called Handbrake. So it's an open source application. Let's download it. And install it. And finished. So let's open the Handbrake. And I'm going to choose a file of my recordings. That's 221 MBs. You see here it's 221 MBs. Okay, and its name, let's change it to Handbrake. Okay, so and click and drag it, just open it here, and it says it's a 15 minutes video and presentation is fast, but I need general. It's only supports 1080p and 30 frames per second, so let's not change anything here, and just I'm gonna set that -1. Okay, let's save it, and it's the Cajun start encode, and it's gonna process it. You see here it needs 12 minutes. Definitely needs some time to record it. So let's skip forward a bit and see it after it's done. So it's gonna finish up. Let's see, the queue is finished, and let's go open it. For Panzer one, as you know, it's 221 MB, and this, let's see, you're gonna be amazed, it's just 65 MB. So there is no drop in frame rates. There's no drop in resolution, except if it's 60 frame per second, so it's 30 frame per second. So it's just, you need to set it here. I just it's 30 frame per second, and here it's also 30 frame per second, so it's not gonna change that. You have to go to the video and change that. If you're gonna change audios, you can change that, and if you need to add subtitles, so you can do it. And chapters, how chapter works, and yes, you can do it. And if you can also change the dimensions, and and things, and it's also has filters. So that's all guys for this video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.